Welcome to the unboxing of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Here is the packaging that the camera comes in, just showing you all sides of the box, pretty standard. Now I'm going to get into opening the box so we can see what it comes with. The first thing that you'll see is the paperwork. You can read through it for things like warranty, how to use it. I do recommend everyone to always read the paperwork that comes with the items that you get. Next is the standard strap that comes with the camera. You can put this around your neck or around your shoulders. This is great for carrying your camera around, especially if you're going outdoors with it. Next, we have the kit lens that comes with the camera. It was pretty hard to open, but I finally got it open. Comes with bubble wrap and then another plastic wrapper. So it is a standard 15 to 45 millimeter camera lens. Just showing you the lens protectors, the covers that come with it. So next we have the battery charger. That also is kind of hard to get open, the tape there, but it's pretty standard battery wall charger, compatible with the Canon battery that's also within this box. You have the outlet plug that just flips open and flips back closed. Here is the part that we've all been waiting for, the star of the show, which is the actual body of the camera, the body of the Canon EOS M50. So I'm just going to show you just a quick glance of how it looks. This is the back. You can see the buttons there, the top, and the toggles at the top as well. This is the battery, forgot to show it earlier. This is the battery that goes inside of that wall charger that I showed you previously. Now we're back to the camera. At the bottom you can see the tripod area where you can twist the camera on your tripod. It also comes with a HDMI port. Comes with a mic jack. You can record straight to the camera to make editing faster if you have a microphone that just plugs straight in with the standard mic jack. And then you can twist that off to put whatever lens you'd like. I'm going to be using the kit lens. And there is the screen. It flips out. And I'm just going to demonstrate how you put the battery inside of the camera. Now I am putting on the lens. I'm just going to switch it on to see what it looks like on startup, and it immediately tells you to set your date and time zone. That is the little lever which pops out the lens. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok at Kiru's Keys, and I will be making more videos like these. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!